This is my video on how to make a good cup of coffee. Number one, of course, you gotta have all the ingredients. You gotta have your coffee filters, you gotta have your coffee, and you gotta have your secret ingredient. Now, the point to this whole thing is that with the secret ingredient, you can take any coffee and make it decent coffee. First, of course, put your filter in. Then, get your coffee, whatever your brand is. And I personally like to use 3 tablespoons, 3 heaping tablespoons. 1, 2, 3. Put that back in there, clean that up a little bit. Get in there, coffee. All right, now, secret ingredient. As you can see, it's baking soda. The reason for the baking soda is that coffee makes an acid. Baking soda is a base. Acid will give you a bitter taste. So you take 1/8 of a teaspoon. If I can get that to focus. Let's see. 1/8 of a teaspoon. Anyway, that's the best I can do. Trust me, it's 1/8. Put it in there. Now, I know some of y'all think I'm crazy, but no, I just use regular old tap water. Number one, you think I'm crazy because I just use regular tap water. And number two, the other reason you're going to think I'm crazy is because I unplug the coffee pot between every use. Yes, I am old school that way, where I worry about the coffee pot. Oh, by the way, that's my dog's bowl. That's Abby. That's what we feed her out of. I mean, she's six months old and 70 pounds. So I'd say, yeah, that's what she needs to get fed out of. Anyway, we pour the water in. And as you can see, I don't have a special coffee pot. It's just a generic, whoever makes it. I'll have to show you. Oh, there we go. Sunbeam coffee pot. As you can see, the water is in and it's perking. Anyway, that's how I make a good cup of coffee, and that's how that's my secret ingredient. Coffee, baking powder, not Jack Daniels. Jack Daniels is a different kind of secret ingredient. Have a good morning, everybody.